What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Denis and I'm doing tech reviews, and for the very near future I'm preparing one amazing vlog, so stay tuned. Now, you would like to have a good phone but you cannot afford it. You just came to right places. I'm gonna tell you what is the best phone for less than 300 bucks. Huawei P Smart is low budget phone with almost high-end specifications. By the way, stay with me till the end of this video because I'm gonna give you some sweet information. Thanks to Huawei Slovenia, I had chance to pick this phone to check how it works, and foremost, does it worth of buying it. Inside this elegant Huawei styled box we can find SIM eject tool, micro USB cable, charger, headphones and documentation. On the front we can find fascinated 5.6-inch Full HD display and 8 megapixel selfie camera. At the bottom we can find speaker, charging port and 3.5mm jack input for our headphones. On the right side we see volume and power buttons, SIM card goes to the left side, and at the top all what we can find is microphone hole for video recording. Under the hood we can find Kirin 659 CPU, 3 gigs of RAM and 32 GB of storage. Unfortunately 10 GB are already used, but don't worry, we can expand it with micro SD card up to 256 GB. Or you can use that place for second SIM card. It all depends on the model. At last point we have huge 3000 mAh battery that's supposed to be more than enough for a day without charging. At the back of P Smart we can see dual cameras, from which first one is 13 megapixels at f2.2 and second 2 megapixels camera that works for additional information like wide angle and portrait picture. Pictures, I must say, are quite impressive. This phone offers great point and shoot camera for social media. Even selfie camera offers nice quality, although maybe it gives little bit too much of beautification on factory settings. Android 8.0 with EMUI 8.1 works perfect on this low budget phone. Without any special lags, and even playing games works pretty well. Keep in mind that this is low budget phone. And we should not forget about fingerprint scanner at the backside. I was surprised that low budget phone can have that fast fingerprint scanner. So phone that costs less than 300 bucks can offer us all of that. Wow, I was surprised. It works way better than I expected it will work. This phone is for everyone who are not in high-end specification hype but would like to have good camera, fast fingerprint and so on. Like for example my mom. Mom, I have something for you! And as promised, on the end, if you search for the best camera on the phone, follow my Instagram account where I will put some stories tomorrow from Huawei P20 event. Okay guys, that's it for today, thank you for watching me, and if you however enjoyed this video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed yet, because every week I'm putting new and fresh videos of reviews, unboxing, and pretty soon, as I said at start, vlogs. Stay in love and peace. Bye.